Well, g'day guys, and welcome back to the Boomerang Biker channel. We've got a slight touch of rain here, which is actually really useful because today I'm going to be doing a review on the OSAH 40 litre and 25 litre dry packs. So if you're looking for waterproof motorcycle luggage, stay tuned for the video. So let's talk about the cost of purchase and the delivery. So both bags I bought on AliExpress, and I did try and buy them from Australia, but I didn't get a response to emails from OSAH, and the cost difference was just the complete blowout. $60 from AliExpress including delivery versus $120 to buy from the OSAH distributor in Australia. That's too big a markup in my opinion. Now what I did do wrong is I didn't pay for postage. I took the free option and it took 5 weeks to get here, whereas I purchased the 25 litre after the 40 litre and I paid $3 for postage and it came from China within 2 weeks. So I would strongly advise that you pay that $3. So as we move in closer, you'll see that these bags are extremely good quality. It's very thick material, strong bonded welded seams. They even have a reflector to keep you safe at night. They also have integrated straps, so you can actually clip the bags together on the bike and stack them up. They come with their own straps. You don't need to buy any straps to fix them to the bike either. They have a strap that has a loop on the bottom. You feed that through around the frame, feed the buckle through, tighten everything up and clip it in there. Another great feature is the air release valve. So as you roll that top down, you can push out the excess air and get everything cinched down really tight. Okay, so the next thing we'll do is grab the hose pipe and we'll give this a thorough soaking. Then we'll open it up and see just how much moisture is inside, if any. Okay, so we've got the hose pipe. Let's give this bag a good soaking. Well, that's probably as wet as I'm ever going to get when I'm out on my bike. So let's unbuckle the bag, drop it down on the floor, and we'll have a look if there's any moisture inside. So the great thing about these bags is that you've only got 4 buckles to unclip and you can take the bag off the bike. So let's have a look inside and just see if there's any moisture in there. So we unclip the 2 top buckles, unclip the side buckles, and we'll roll the top open, undo the velcro, and it's completely dry. There is actually one little spot there that you can see. The rest of it is completely dry, and I think that might have even dropped in when I unrolled the top. Just to give you an idea of size whilst we've got this open, I'll go through some of the items that are in here. So first off, we've got a Sea to Summit SI sleeping mat, which is quite big. I've got a Mountain Designs chair, lightweight chair, a little bit like a Helinox copy, I guess. I've got a Sea to Summit sleeping bag liner. I've got my FE Active camp stretcher, which I'm going to do a separate review on this, so stay tuned for that. And then I've got my Brando, sorry this is a bit noisy, I've got my Vanguard Pulsar Pro 300, which is one of the best tents on the market, and you can see everything is perfectly dry. Well, there you go. That's been my review of the OSAH 40 and 25 litre dry packs. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and please leave me a comment down below. For the best comment, I'll send through one of the new Boomerang Biker neck tubes. Thanks again for tuning in. Ride safe and have a great day.